Every year around the holidays, the parents of kids in the Head Start program at CPCD get a little worried that ends just won't meet. Gina knows the feeling. She's had some tough times in the past, but thanks to the Adopt a Family program, her 3 kids haven't had to go without.
And so I called my FA up and to get help and came home with a big old bag. She asked me what I needed, and there was a big old bag in front of my door, and they had a Christmas, and it was so nice to get that.
For 12 years, CPCD has adopted its families out at the holidays. This year, 262 families are in need, and plenty of them need to be adopted still.
I think we strive really hard to make it not only comfortable for the families, but comfortable for the donors as well. So we have a variety of options.
We had a family vote that we would take $500 out of our Christmas money and spend it on somebody else.
The Bogans logged onto the CPCD website. There, they read a family profile and chose a family they wanted to adopt.
And one reason we chose a family was because the dad in the family is a construction worker and just temporarily out of work, and that's what put them in the hard position. And we have a construction company, and we understand where they're coming from.
With this program, there's an option to meet the family.
We even got pictures of them opening their presents Christmas morning.
Such a life-changing experience. The Bogan kids have been raising money all year long. It's special for them, but for those they'll help.
You should just see the smiles on the kids' face when they do get it, along with the parents. They're really grateful.
And as families give, they also receive a valuable lesson on the joy of giving.
Well, I think if you look at anybody's life, ours included, everybody has times of being in need and want, and being in a place where maybe things are good and they don't need. I think that's just a part of life. We've been in situations where we've been in need and people have helped us out. Now we're in a position where we can help people out. I think that's just a family value that we want to pass on to our children.